Hello, recently I've been to Sweden and I have 5 tips to share with you guys. Surely these tips are going to help you if you're planning to go to Sweden. Let's start with tips number 1. First, don't go there when it's winter. Always try to go there when it's summer, otherwise you'll be missing a lot of attractions. Tips number 2. Try to use this app called Go City. I'm not sponsoring them. It's very easy to use this app and book all the tickets for 1 day or 2 days, and you'll be able to find all the attraction very easily throughout this map. Number 3 for you. Try to use this SL app. It's very easy to buy the tickets, and these tickets are valid for bus, tram, train, everything. Tips number 4 for you. You can use booking.com app, which is super easy to book your accommodation. Always try to book the place which is very close to city center, otherwise it will take a lot of time for traveling from coming to the hotel and to go to the hotel. And final tips for you. Try to go to Stockholm, which is the capital of Sweden, otherwise you'll be missing a lot of beautiful places for sure. Thank you. Bye bye.